Our smart pen set can record voice along with notes. You can initiate recording by clicking the record icon on the page. Please note that the pen itself doesn't have a speaker, so the audio is recorded and played back on the connected phone or tablet. Click the stop icon to end the recording. Alternatively, you can start and end recording by tapping the speaker icon on the app. Multiple recordings can be saved to a single page.
To graph the line, we start with the y-intercept of 4.
To review recordings, click and check them. The app will play back the writing process synchronized with the audio. You can rename the audio files, or delete the ones you no longer need. Navigate to the playback option to observe the entire writing process at 3 different speeds: 1 time, 2 times, and 4 times. This will only play back the writing, and it does not include the voice. Click the share icon in the top right corner to share your writing process as a video on social channels, or export it as a video to save on your phone.